Now I'm going to make a dessert. We're gonna pair a beautiful American dessert with it for the 4th of July, and I'm told that I have a special guest that's gonna help me make it. So stay tuned. So here we are with our second part of our segment. It's the 4th of July, and we are celebrating 250 years of America, and what better way to do it than with an American Sundae. And I have a special guest that's going to help me make it. And who's our special guest? It's Angelina Nicolala.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, Angelina's gonna help us make a beautiful sundae. So let's get started. We're gonna start with some strawberries. Angelina, you're gonna cut those.
Okay.
And we have them already macerated for the sauce. So we're gonna show you how to do that. And when they sit, you want these to sit ideally overnight. If you can't, start them in the morning if you're having company over and have them for later. But this juice, Angelina,
It's amazing.
What do we use
so
the juice
sweet.
for?
We use it for cheesecake, and it's a game changer.
Or a pound cake, if you get like lemon pound cake and you put ice cream on it with the fresh strawberries on it, it's amazing. So how we start this process is you put the strawberries in the bowl and we add half of a lemon. You want to squeeze it in there. Mm-hmm. It just gives it that little something. Fresh lemon. Okay. And then you got to add sugar to it. And the sugar, I guess the sugar makes it like bleed
very well.
Like all the juice, it brings all the juice out of the berry. So you put sugar on it, and I'm just showing you a small little example of how to do it. And you stir them all up, and you let them sit, and you put them off to the side. So we have that here because you don't want to watch me cut strawberries for 12 minutes. Here it is all done. So Angelina is going to assemble it for us, our little red, white, and blue.
Okay, so first we're gonna start off with our strawberries.
Okay.
And they're so yummy and so sweet. Just really makes the sundae.
Okay, so we have our red.
Our red, yeah. This is our red part of our sundae.
And then we have our white, which is our Ray's ice cream made in Michigan. We love Ray's. We always buy Ray's at our house. And of course, the container is red, white, and blue.
Perfect for the
for
jar.
us. So this is a super easy recipe that you guys can make really fast. It's a little hard, but that's okay.
Perfect.
Some people aren't bakers. I'm not a baker. I don't bake at all, right, Angelina?
No.
What is my favorite? What would you say is my favorite thing that I make that you love?
Cooking wise?
Yeah.
I really like linguine pasta, so I really like when you make shrimp linguine.
What
Yummy.
did you say to me last night? We were cooking, and you're like, Mom, this is my favorite.
Oh, it's really simple too. It's a lamb sandwich. It's so good.
It's a lamb burger.
It's so good.
It's a lamb burger with the tzatziki sauce with the Mediterranean rice that I make.
So you want to get a good amount of ice cream because that is what makes the
And we're
sundae.
layering. So we have our red, we have our white. I have blackberries and blueberries, but Angelina doesn't like blackberries.
But I'm going to use them.
But you're really picky.
I'm not.
You kind of are.
Okay, so I'm just going to put the blueberries on here now. Ooh. And look, you're already starting to see the red, white, and blue. It's perfect for the holiday. So easy too. That's my mom's fast and easy recipes.
Fast and easy. Because we have now, I found out today that I had been watching it, but the syrup, not to go back, but the syrup is amazing on it.
Yeah, it really is like a final touch. If you don't like chocolate syrup,
And it's so healthy. I think this is kind of healthy. So back to what I wanted to tell you. 53,000 followers. 53,000 followers aren't Italian. So a lot of people walk through and they don't see, not necessarily in this recipe, but a lot of people walk through and say, oh, I don't know what the heck. What do you do with arugula? What do you do with artichokes? Oops. So that is, to Angelina's point, is things that are super fast and easy and elevated that look really gourmet.
Yeah.
So I'm going to stop with that for me. Angelina's going to keep building. And then we just finish it with some whipped cream. Look at that red, white. Aren't those so cute?
Okay, yeah, and then I'm gonna put some whipped cream on mine. And then I'm gonna do a little bit more of this strawberry syrup because it is so good and it's to die for. It's so yummy. And then I'm gonna finish it off with some sprinkles.
I'm not going to do sprinkles.
And look at how easy and fun that
I
is.
know, and it's
so
red,
cute.
red, white, and blue.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's give it a taste. Let's give it a yummy taste. Kind of healthy. So come taste summer
The American way.